Okay, you go ahead and go, and then I'll go. Okay. You're going fast. Jacob, you're supposed to get in the packed down snow area, not just in the wherever. You're supposed to get...
I know. I'm doing this for fun.
You better look out.
Like a snowball.
Hey! Look out, I'm gonna run you over when you get out there.
Well, later.
You didn't go very far.